Hey guys, it's me, Kian.
And me, Natalia.
And we're going to be doing what's in bag. So I'm going to go first. So I got
A squishy.
Okay. Okay, Natalia, you go next.
Oh, what's that noise? Walkie-talkie's not bad.
A dog.
What's that noise?
Don't know. Guys, we need to go.
Here. We might do this a different time.
Right, come on, let's go.
And we will be right back with some news. Can you repeat that? Over? Okay, I'll be right there. Over.
Over.
Where are they?
Come on, let's go.
Where are they in here?
Just take off this.